What is a VA loan? Hi everyone! If you or someone you know have served in the military, you might have heard about something called VA loan. But what is exactly a VA loan and how does it work?
Today we're going to explain everything you need to know about VA loans, from who qualifies to how they work. Make sure to stick around until the end because we'll share a really important tip at the end that a lot of people don't know about. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips on home loans. So let's just jump right in. Who's eligible for a VA loan?
A VA loan is a special type of home loan available for people who have served in the military, in the National Guard, or the reserves, or their spouses if a service member died in the line of duty, or due to a service-related disability. VA loans are backed by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, VA, and they come with some amazing benefits. VA loans are designed to make it easy for veterans or service members to buy a home. They offer lower costs and they don't require a down payment or monthly mortgage insurance, making homeownership more affordable for those who have served.
To be eligible for a VA loan, you need to meet certain service requirements. You may qualify if you served 90 consecutive days of active duty during wartime, served 181 days of active duty during peacetime, served more than 6 years in the National Guard or reserves, are the spouse of a service member who died in line of duty or as a result of service, related disability. If you meet one of these requirements, you can apply for a VA loan.
How do you check your VA loan eligibility? The first step to getting a VA loan is to check your eligibility. You'll need a document called Certificate of Eligibility, COE, which shows lenders that you qualify for a VA loan. You can get this certificate directly from the VA website or by working with a lender who can help you obtain it. Most lenders can have access to the VA systems to get a copy of your COE, but in some cases, you might have to request it yourself.
So what are the exact requirements for a VA loan? VA loans don't have a one-size-fits-all requirements. Different lenders may have slightly different rules when it comes to things like credit score. For example, one lender might require a credit score of 620, while another might ask for a 640. However, the basic VA guidelines include checking your credit profile, meaning how well you've managed your credit, verifying your income through pay stubs, retirement income, or military disability income, and making sure you meet the other general requirements.
What about the VA fees? There are a few important things to know about VA loan fees. The great news is that VA loans don't require you to pay a mortgage insurance, which is a fee that protects the lender if you can't pay back the mortgage. This is a big deal because most of the type of loans require a mortgage insurance if you don't put a big down payment. However, VA loans have something called funding fee. This fee helps keep the VA loan program running and is usually added to the loan amount. The amount of the funding fee depends on whether this is the first time using your VA loan and how much money you're putting down. If you have service-related disability, the funding fee can be waived, meaning that you don't have to pay it.
No money down and no mortgage insurance. One of the best things about VA loans is that you can buy a home with no money down. This means you don't have to save up for a down payment, which is a big help for many people. Also, there's no monthly mortgage insurance, which can save you a lot of money over time. This is one of the reasons why VA loans are such an amazing option for veterans and service members.
What is the VA loan appraisal process? When you're buying a home with a VA loan, the VA requires an appraisal to make sure the property is worth the loan amount and it's safe for you to live in it. The lender orders the appraisal through the VA and the VA approve appraisal list, which will inspect the property. Appraisal will inspect the home. The appraisal will look into things like broken windows or exposed wires that could be safety hazard. If they have any issues, they will mark the loan as subject to repair until these issues are fixed.
Another thing unique to VA appraisal is something called tidewater. If the appraiser thinks that the home isn't worth the amount you're borrowing, they'll notify the lender and give your real estate agent 24 to 48 hours to provide more information to support the value of the home. It's like a second chance to prove the home is worth the price.
Our number one tip for VA loan. Now, for the most important tip on a VA loan, people think that you can only use this benefit once, but that's not true. You can use your VA benefits multiple times as long as you meet the loan requirements.
So if you've used a VA loan before, you might still be able to use it again to buy another home. If you're not sure about your VA loan benefits, talk to a lender who understands VA loans. They can help you check your eligibility and figure out how much you can borrow using your VA loan benefits.
Wrapping it up. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about VA loans. We've covered what a VA loan is, who's eligible, how to check your eligibility, VA loan fees, and the appraisal process.
And remember, you can use your VA loan benefit more than once, so don't hesitate to check your options. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more home loan tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.